Hello guys, look at my new glue chamber. This is the sponge with alcohol, isopropyl. The americium is inside, you can see 241. I take it from smoke sector. The first can is dry ice box inside the can, all covered with the dry ice, and also I have cooling fan with the TEC cooling system. Now is 3 minutes that the system is running. The TEC Eleman is connected to the fan, the back side, downside, and also one bottle is downside to protect the fan, and that's all. Here is my glue chamber. I'm not sure that you can see particles line or not, but I will wait more to temperature going for -2 or 3.